Riley, Griffin. I'm a project consultant here at Property Revolution. Help people navigate their projects, some problems with different areas like that. But yeah, I'm here to help you with your project and get it started. I started off mowing lawns here. We used to do a lot of different projects, lawn care, snow plowing, things like that. So I started off on a lawnmower, ended up as an installer for a little bit, became a project facilitator where I oversaw a lot of the roofing and siding projects, and now I'm here. I'm a big outdoorsman. I love to waterfowl hunt. I like to turkey hunt, bass fish, things like that. Spent a lot of time guiding duck hunts down in Arkansas in the winter. My favorite part of this job is really the people I get to meet. I get to meet incredible people each day. Everyone's new, everyone has their own story, everyone's different, and it really is my favorite part.